Jai Srimanarayana. 55th sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Mat karma krit mat paramo mat bhaktaha sangavarjitaha nirvairaha sarvabhuteषु yassa mameti पांडवा. ओम. Sri Krishna Paramatma directly asking you to do all your activities exclusively for his satisfaction. Sri Krishna Paramatma asking you to serve him all the time. Sri Krishna Paramatma asking you to become his devotee. Sri Krishna Paramatma asking you to develop attachment towards him and his presence in all the entities. Sri Krishna Paramatma is asking you not to carry any kind of enmity towards any living creature in this entire universe. Sri Krishna Paramatma is asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma saying, Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Krishna Paramatma because he is asking you directly. If you do not answer him, he will be left unsatisfied. He will be left unanswered. Let us not do that. Please answer him back saying that, Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall do all my activities exclusively for your satisfaction. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall become your devotee. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, you are my ultimate shelter. You are my ultimate goal of attainment. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall develop attachment towards you and your presence in every entity in this entire creation. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall not carry any kind of enmity towards any living creature in this entire universe. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 7th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Narada Maharshi teaching Prahlada's story to Dharmaraju, saying that, O Dharmaja, Hiranyakasipu called on Prahlada. Now Prahlada, with his folding hands, with all of his humbleness, standing right in front of his father Hiranyakasipu. Now Hiranyakasipu saying to Prahlada like this, O stupid Prahlada, O stubborn Prahlada, O the one who born to destroy our Vamsam, you are such an idiot. You are transgressing my orders. When all the worlds are getting scared of me, while knowing that fact, you are going against to me. That is why right now I am going to send you to Yamalokam. O stupid Prahlada, how dare you are doing all this? With what kind of support you are doing all this? Who is your support? When Hiranyakasipu asked like that, Prahlada saying, O my dear father, na kevalam me bhavatascha rajan savai balam balinancha aparesham pare apare ami sthirajangamaha ye brahmadayah ye navasam pranitaha. O my dear father, balayutulaku durbalulaku balamevvadu నీకు నాకు బ్రహ్మాదులకున్ బలమెవ్వడు ప్రాణులకున్ బలమెవ్వండు అట్టి విభుడు బలము అసురేంద్ర. ఓ మై డియర్ ఫాదర్, whoever is support to you, whoever is strength and support to the entire universe, whoever is support to each and every entity in this entire universe, that is my support, that is my strength. My dear father, in this universe, all the trees, all the moving entities, and Brahma and other devatas, Indra and other devatas, for all of them, whoever is support and strength, that is my support and strength. And that Paramatma, that Supreme, is controlling this entire universe. That Paramatma, Sa Ishvaraha Kalaha, he is the ultimate supreme controller. He is the form, he is an embodiment of the time. He is the one, that Supreme Sriman Narayana is the power of our Indriyas, the power of our Manas, the power of our body, the power of our Pranam. That is his glory. His glory, his opulence is unlimited. Oh my dear father, that Paramatma Sriman Narayana is the one who brings out this entire universe and takes care of this entire universe, and then finally he is the one who dissolves this entire universe. Like that Prahlada saying to his father Hiranyakasipu. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 11th chapter 55th శ్లోక. మత్కర్మ కృత్ మత్పరమః మద్భక్తః సంగవర్జితః నిర్వైరః సర్వభూతేషు యస్స మామేతి పాండవ. మత్కర్మ కృత్ మత్పరమో మద్భక్తః సంగవర్జితః నిర్వైరః సర్వభూతేషు యస్స మామేతి పాండవ. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.